Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone to the left, this one right here, because this one is the iPhone 15 Pro Max and I've already made a video about this, unboxing it. So I'll leave a link for that in the description down below. So without any further delays, let's unbox this one right here. So this one is not the latest iPhone. It's not the 15 lineup. This is the iPhone 13. It's not even the Plus. It's not even the Pro. It's the baseline iPhone 13. Well, not baseline because it has the 256 gigs. It's in Starlight colorway. And there's a reason why in October of 2023, I have an iPhone 13 and why I'm unboxing this. This device right here is for work purposes. And because there was a budget of 1,200 Australian dollars, I could not exceed that. And the only 256 gig iPhone that I could find was the iPhone 13. Yes, I could have probably ordered the iPhone 14 off of eBay or any of the online portals and waited a few days and probably would have received a newer version of the iPhone than the iPhone 13. And 256 gigs, or if I was lucky, maybe even a 512 gigs version. But because I needed it for today, so I literally had to go to the shop and purchase it rather than wait for a few days and then get it. I did not have the luxury to wait, so I had to walk into the shop to purchase this so that it can be used in action today at work. So for that reason and for the budget, I had to stick with the iPhone 13. So yes, this is a brand new device. So without any further delays, we will just be unboxing. And like with any Apple unboxing, you have the arrow right here that you can peel. And if you have a blue light, if you shine the blue light right here, you can see the label iPhone. This is just for authenticity. I do not have any blue light with me, so I can't show you that, but let's just unbox this. Same thing down here. Now that the seal has been broken, we can't return this. And because this is for work, we're not gonna return this. Okay. Here's the iPhone in the Starlight. To be honest, under this light, to me, it looks white. So I don't know why they call it Starlight. Yes, there is like a different color accent here, but yeah, it still looks white. So let's put this aside. And what do we get in the box? We have designed by Apple in California, stickers, SIM tray maybe. Yes, one sticker, SIM tray, and paperwork. So we don't need that for the moment. So we can put that to the side. And we also get cable. So this is the USB-C to Lightning cable because this is iPhone 13, unlike the iPhone 15 lineup where all the iPhone 15 lineup is USB-C. iPhone 13 and iPhone 14 lineup comes with the USB-C to Lightning cable. So this is what we have to deal with, but we do have MagSafe support, so we can charge this with the wireless charger or the MagSafe charger, so we don't have to worry about, plugging it in. So without any further delays, let's just take this out. Look at this. It's a nice size, and especially for work, you don't need a very giant screen. The cameras are okay. This is going to be used for some marketing content creation at work, so it's going to do the job. The camera is going to be okay for the purpose that this device was purchased, so we don't really have to worry about that. So while this powers on, let's show you the Lightning port if it focuses. So the Lightning port is here. So if you do have to plug any accessories, it needs to be Lightning to whatever you want to plug in. If you want to plug in an SD card, it needs to be Lightning to SD card reader, which I think Apple sells on their website. It might not be cheap, but for any third-party accessories, you're gonna run into trouble finding a better compatibility because with the Lightning and SD card or Lightning or any sort of other dongle attachments, the compatibility from third parties are not that good. So you would have to, in most cases, resort to the dongles that Apple makes or the adapters that Apple makes. So yeah, unlike the iPhone 15, which I'm recording with, and I have connected my external microphone through the USB-C of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So the audio that you're hearing from the iPhone 15 Pro Max is coming off of an external microphone, which was directly connected to the USB-C port of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I would have loved to go iPhone 15 lineup for the work device, but because of the budget, I had to resort to the iPhone 13, and the iPhone 14 also exceeded the budget. So the iPhone 13 was the only device, the 256 gigs version, that was within the budget. So I had to resort to this, and I did not have the luxury, as I said before, to wait a few days to order something online at a cheaper price. So that's why we have this. But this device is not too bad. it is a great device. It still has the latest iOS updates. So the reason we got the iPhone instead of an Android device for work-related purposes is because we will continue to get the latest software updates on the iPhone for, you know, like maybe an additional 3-4 years. But with Android, I would need to go with the latest device that's currently available, and that would mean that I would exceed my budget just in order to get the latest software updates and security patches. But in the case of iPhone, we know that Apple loves to support even their older devices in terms of software updates and security patches. So that was primarily what motivated me into thinking, okay, we should get the iPhone 13 because that's going to be within the budget. And the other main reason is this device right here, the iPhone 13, is going to be used for a lot of the video content creation at work. And because iPhones have really good video capturing capability and the videos that are recorded off of an iPhone looks much pleasing, at least to me and majority of the people who are going to be recording using this device. So we resorted to getting this because the videos from either Samsung or any other Android devices are good, but not as good as a video that you get out of an iPhone. So that's the whole reason we got this instead of an Android. There's nothing wrong with Android, but for what the device is needed for, iPhone was the better fit. So I'll leave this here. Thank you for watching this video. We'll set the device up later on. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace.